Welcome to a luxurious sanctuary where modern sophistication meets sprawling tranquility. Set on a pristine 5-acre parcel of land in Middle Dural's sought-after Cranstons Road. Enter through the secure, grand automatic gates into a realm of elegance embraced by meticulously landscaped gardens. Step through the large double doors and be greeted by an exquisitely appointed foyer, setting the tone for the grandeur that awaits within. This opulent residence boasts soaring ceilings and seamlessly merges multiple open-plan living areas, each framing picturesque vistas of the outdoor entertaining haven and sparkling pool through expansive glass stacker doors. At the heart of this home lies a magnificent kitchen, adorned with top-tier finishes including stone benchtops, premium stainless steel appliances, and an expansive island bench. Indulge in leisurely evenings within the sprawling rumpus room, featuring a bespoke bar area, or retreat to the state-of-the-art home theatre for cinematic experiences like no other. The king-size master suite is a sanctuary of its own, featuring a palatial ensuite, walk-in robe, and private courtyard, epitomizing indulgence at its finest. Furthermore, there are 4 generously sized bedrooms, each boasting walk-in robes and ensuites for unrivaled comfort and privacy. Step outside to discover a covered poolside alfresco area, complete with an outdoor kitchen, fireplace, bathroom, and sauna, all overlooking the inviting inbuilt concrete pool. This outdoor oasis is perfect for hosting grand gatherings or enjoying serene, private moments. Experience the pinnacle of Dural Living and step into a world of unparalleled excellence and tranquility.